Welcome students. Good morning to all of you. I am Chandan sir. I am mathematics teacher. And now we are going to read about the standard aids of a rational number of exercise 1b. Today 9th April. Now we are starting the exercise. Question number first it gives the questions that we will have to represent the number on the number line. I am reading the question. Represent each of the following numbers on the number line. Question number 1. Question number 1. 1 by 3. 1 by 3. So listen, you will have to first of all draw. Clear? You will have to think about that. Three types of information are given. P by Q. Clear? Look at that. And another one is also I am mentioning in the next one. Look at that. P by Q. If Q is greater than P and Q is less than P. Okay? So there, look at that. Less than Q is greater than P. Then it will lie between 0 and 1. P by Q. If the Q is greater than P, then it will lie what? 0 and 1. According to this one, 0 and 1 you have to write because Q is greater than P. So now look at how many parts are there? 3 parts are there. Then you have to write 3 parts you have to make, but you have to draw only 2 lines. Only 2 lines means 3, then draw 2 lines, 7, then draw 6 lines, 8, then draw 7 lines, 9, then draw 8 lines. Clear? According to this one, you have to draw less than 1 line. How many parts? When you are drawing less than 1 line, after then it will comes the whole part. Clear? That's 2 only draw, and how many parts? 1 part, 2 part, 3 part. Now look at it. This is the first part, this is the second part, this is the third part. This is the first part, this is the second part, this is the third part. Now look at only listen. First of all, how many? 1 by 3 is given. I am repeating again. 1 by 3 is given. You have to check about that. P by Q. Q is greater than P, then it will lie between 0 and 1. 0 and 1. How many parts are there? 3 parts are there, but you have to draw only less than 1. 1 less karna. Okay. Now listen. How many parts? 3. Then you have to draw only 2 lines. 1 line, 2 lines. How many parts now become? 3 parts become. Clear? Now look at this part is first part, this part is second part, clear? This part is third part. Now then we have to choose only first part. So it is known as 1 by 3. Oh. Over again, I am solving again questions. After that you will look at this. Now look at second part. Listen. I am writing here. I am leaving the space here. You will copy. Clear? Now we are moving to the next question. 1 whole 3 by 4. First of all, this is the mixed fraction. You have to change the mixed fraction into proper fraction. 4 1 is 4. 4 3 is 7 1 4. Now look at what is it? P by Q. Q is less than P. Q is less than P. Now listen, I am leaving one question. This is not the second question. This is the third number question. I am leaving the questions. So because you will have to also practice. Therefore, now look at there is 1 whole 3 by 4. Now look at what is the question. What is the format here? The method is that P by Q. If the Q is less than P, then it will lie. Listen, it will lie. What this one? More than. It will not lie. It will not lie between 0 and 1. 0 and 1. You will have to divide it. You will have to change it into decimal form. Change it into decimal form. Now look at, we are changing it into decimal form. 4. How many 4 1 4? How many times? 4 7 times? Now look at 4 1 is 4, how much? 3, 3 0, 30, 4 7 is 28, 2, 4 5 is 20. Now look at, we are representing it. Now look at 0, there 1 and there 2. Now look at 1.75, 1.75. Then look at, so we will have to write here 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Now look at, therefore we are changing it in the decimal form, and look at, there is minimum 1 more and less than, means more than 1 and less than 2. How many? Listen, the 1.75, how many parts are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6. Listen, 1.6 7 8 9 and then 10. So now look at, first of all we have to draw 1.7, 1.7, the 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, 1.5, 1.6, 1.7. There 1.7. There is 1.7. But this is 1.75. Then 1.7 here and 1.8 here. There is 1.7. There is 1.8. 1.8. Listen, I am writing here 1.8. Then 1.75 lie here. 1.7. Listen carefully. 0, there is the 1, there is the 2. Clear? So the 1.1, 1.2, because 1 and 2 between lies how many? 9 lines. 9 lines. Clear? 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, 1.5, 1.6, 1.7 and 1.8. But there is the 1.7 and 1.8 not, 1.75. Then 1.75 lie between 1.7 and 1.8. Over. According to this one, you have to solve all the questions of the question number 1. Now listen, we are moving to the question number 2. First question minus 1 by 3. According to the first question, plus 1 by 3 is given. We are solving minus 1 by 3. Clear? Same to same, that will be right side. Now we are solving left side. Clear? And now look at what is there. Q is less than P. Q is greater than P. Q is greater than P. Q is greater than P. Now look at 3 is greater. So we are drawing the line, but we will have to draw this side. Minus 1. Clear? How many? 1 part, 2 part. Clear? This is minus 1 by 3. Same to same, because I am not mentioning again, because we have solved in the question of first. Now solving the another question. Minus 3 4 1 by 7. Minus 1 3 4 1 by 7. The first one we have to change there. Minus 7 3 21, 22 by 7. Now look at this one. This one is less. According to this one, less, and when less, then does not lie between 0 and 1. After that we have to change into decimal form. Decimal. 7 1 is 7 3 is 21. How much? 1 7 is 7 3 7 3 is 28. Clear? According to this one we can draw. Clear? But listen, there is the problem that it will comes again and again. So we don't write only, we use only 2 digits. Now we are making a number line. Clear? 0. Now listen, there is a minus 3.14. We are writing minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, and there is a problem that what? Minus 3 to minus 4. So we are writing here minus 4. Now look at minus 1. Sorry, 3.1. How many lines are there? 9 lines are there. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now look at 3.1. 3.1 minus 3.1 minus 3.2. So minus 3.1 minus 3.2. How much? There contains also 10 lines. There contains also 10 lines. But we will have to think about the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Clear? The 3.11, 3.12, 3.13, 3.14. There is 3.1. According to this one, all of you have to solve. If any type of problem, you can ask.